pound for pound, Alchemy is probably one of the most capable and able partners that we have.
They lean in more than all of our partners do. They really understand the technology deeply.
We know the account's in good hands. We know that the success rate for closure in that account rises substantially because of Alchemy's involvement. And so there's been that trust that's been developed within that partnership.
You know, the friendships that we've developed and the trust that I could put into those friendships is something that really sets them apart.
They really care, right, about this partnership. And you could tell in my engagement, not just with the sellers, but also with their executive staff, with their marketing staff.
From their owners to their C-suite to all of their sellers, their culture is incredible. Every single person is someone that you would want to sit down and have a beer with. I would trust them with my IT department internally. I would even trust most of them to watch my kids.
Oftentimes we get asked by customers, if we can recommend a partner. And recommending Alchemy is a very easy choice.
They are fantastic. It's not just the value that they bring a vendor, but it's really the value that they bring their customers.
It's a holistic view of how you're going to be able to reach your goals from the idea phase to the implementation to ongoing support.
The identity security workshops and the zero trust workshops, I think really offer a lot of value to customers.
They're not just transactional, they have an opinion and they're willing to go to a customer and say, no, you shouldn't go that direction because it's not going to help you reach your outcomes and goals.
That's what we tell customers. Hey, if you're looking for a one-stop shop, these are the guys.